Hello everyone, today is new day. Today I started my day at around like 8:45 a.m. and currently the time is, you can see, 10:16. I did solve 3 easy LeetCode problems from LeetCode 150. The problems are like the basics one. What are they? Like the basics one, I can tell you. First one is contains duplicates. Second one is valid anagram, and that to sum the first LeetCode problem. In past I already solved them, but now I solve them with a bit more depth. I also add comments and I also share my solution with title and one problem, like for this one valid paragraph I add like discussion sections. Currently I am thinking about solving this group anagram problem. I opened the editor. First I'll do this in this editor, try to solve them, then I will do in LeetCode, then I will do in the main LeetCode website. So that's my goal. Then I will do how much I can do in these problems. Like you can see lots of problems in here, so I will do that. Yeah, that's all for this part. So I'm back in this part. So I did solve like LeetCode problem group anagram. I try run that problem. What I did to solve that problem, I just did, firstly I had a groups, a empty dictionary or a hash map. Then I iterate through that, I mean array of strings, that what I need to find the sublist of anagrams that are sublist. Then inside loop I used a variable key. Inside key I sorted the current string using, like you already know everyone, dot empty string dot join, and sorted then our empty string. So then I check if that key is present inside group. If that's the case, then if the key not present, if the key means the sorted string which we converted. So if that is not inside our groups, then we just add like in like groups and key equals to an empty array. Then after if condition we just add if present, if any, if we found a key that is present in groups, then we could add that, append to that empty list. After completed the groups, we just have like groups, like first string will be sorted value, and the values are the anagrams. Comma will be the another sorted key, and inside the list is here value. So now what we can return, what I return is that just converted groups dot values to list. That what I did. Also I solved easy LeetCode problems from LeetCode. I already tell you that. So first but now I solved just a few minutes ago, I mean just couple of minutes, LeetCode 347, which is top k frequent elements. Okay, then I solved that using like first finding the frequency, and then this function I use to get the keys, and then I use lambda function to get the values, and the get frequency of that, and we reversed it in decreasing order, I mean reverse order. So I just written that. So that is what I did. So thinking of I will give this problem more time, like I have bit a small understanding of lambda functions, and so after I completing this understanding I will again understand you and my future self, and I will, if possible, I will solve another medium course problem on LeetCode, and I will do the development work after that part. So that's it. So hey everyone, I'm back. Currently it's 11:15. You can see it's very much, and I would not say it's late night, but it's kind of late. Today I did like basics. First in morning, let's say I did 3 to 4 hours. I solved LeetCode and practiced some problems, like 3 LeetCode easy problems and 2 medium problems. One I completely understand, one problem that was group anagram. Another one is k frequency element. I think that's something. So that's, I have to understand more about lambda functions. And currently I start around 9:40 or 45 learning fast API and learn very basics of like very standard syntax. I learned them like what is get, post, put and delete. I know them, the operation. Mainly they are called HTTP methods, but in Open API they are usually means operation. So that's all I did. Tomorrow I am thinking about I'll do these, like understand first path parameters and query parameters. So that's how I will be consistent each day. That's for today. I'll see you in another video. You guys who are watching, and you, my future self. See you.